In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to API. We'll walk through creating a simple HTTP call in n8n so you can talk to almost any REST API and use the response in your automations. Start by opening n8n in your browser. From there, head into the workflow editor so you're looking at a fresh blank canvas. You should land on a new workflow page where we can add our first node. Click Add First Step. This opens the node panel where you can search for any building block. Type HTTP request into the search bar and select the HTTP request node. This node is the Swiss Army knife for APIs in n8n. It lets you call endpoints, pass parameters, send headers and body data, and handle authentication. Begin by choosing the HTTP method that matches what your API expects. Use get to retrieve data, post to create something, put or patch to update, and delete to remove resources. If you're not sure, check the API's documentation. The method must match what the endpoint supports. Next, paste the full endpoint URL into the URL field. Include the base URL, the path, and any versioning the API uses. Be mindful of trailing slashes and double-check that the path exactly matches the docs to avoid 404 errors. If you already have a working curl command from the API docs or your terminal, use the import curl option in the node. Paste the command, and n8n will automatically map the method, URL, headers, body, and even authentication details for you. This is a big time saver and reduces typos. For authentication, choose the type the API requires. Many APIs use an API key in a header or query. Some use basic auth, and others use auth2. Store credentials in n8n's credentials section so secrets stay secure and out of your workflow fields. Never paste sensitive tokens directly into a URL or body. If the endpoint needs data, enable send query parameters, send headers, or send body as appropriate. Add key value pairs for parameters, include required headers like content type, and for JSON payloads, set the body type to JSON and provide valid JSON. Use expressions to pull in dynamic values from earlier nodes when you build larger workflows. When everything looks good, click Execute Step. Watch the response panel to see the status code and returned data. A 2xx status means success, 4xx or 5xx indicates an issue. Double check your URL, method, headers, auth, and body. Once your call works, you're ready to chain this node with others and build powerful automations.